What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Can you place digits 1 through 9 in the following squares such that every equation is true? Each digit can only be used once. So once again, we have 1 through 9, and we have all of these equations going left to right have to be true, and simultaneously, these equations going up and down have to also be true. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So right off the bat, we have an interesting equation at the top, right? We're trying to get to 5 and we have addition and division. And remember, via order of operations, we have to carry out the division first. So we need two numbers here that are divisible by, one's divisible by the other one. So we could have particular numbers, right? If 1 goes here, we could have anything here, or we could have 4 and 2, we could have 6 and 3, or 6 and 2, and so on and so forth. Now, since we're trying to get to 5, you can see 6 and 2 would be problematic because 6 divided by 2 is 3. To get to 5, we'd need another 2, and that won't work. Likewise, 6 and 3 would require a 3 here. That won't work either. So next, we could go 8 and 4, or 9 and 3. So let's roll with this assumption first. Let's see if it works. If not, we can switch it up. So if I have 8 divided by 4, that is 2, meaning we have a 3 here. Then to get to 72, we need 8 times 9. That's going to be the biggest product possible. And then to stay at 72, we're going to have to divide by 1 right here. But now when we get to this column, we see that we have a problem because we're getting 4 times something to get to 90. But the problem is 4 is not a factor of 90. 90 is going to be 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Those are the prime factors. So we already know that we've now made a mistake and we're going to reset. So instead of 8 divided by 4, we're going to roll with 9 being divided by 3. And 9 divided by 3 is 3, which means we have a 2 right here. Now we still need an 8 here to get to 72, and we still need a 1 here. Now with the remaining numbers, I'm going to look at this column because I think that's going to be pretty helpful. 2 times something plus something to get us to 15, right? So maybe we can get to an 8 somehow and then add 7, because there's no way we're going to multiply to a 7 and add 8. And that works out really nicely because if I have 2 times 4, that's 8. Plus 7 gives us 15. Last but not least, we have 5 and 6 to place here or here. So the question is, what's going to get us to 17? Well, 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 5 is 17, which means 6 goes right here. And now let's verify one more time. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 7 is 15. Boom. 9 times 8 is 72 divided by 1 is 72. 3 times 5 times 6 is 90. Going left to right, 9 divided by 3 is 3 plus 2 is 5. Don't forget we're doing division first because of order of operations. 4 plus 8 plus 5 is 17. And last but not least, 7 minus 1 is 6 plus 6 is 12 for the win. Boom, done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle. And if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.